It's time once again for The Law on You. Joining us from the comfort of their homes, we have attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. Nice to see you both. You're working from home. The court system's closed, but this viewer has a good question for you. Let's take a look at what Val is saying. She's saying in drums, how are you guys doing depositions and hearings during COVID, if at all?
I tell you what, that's a great question. So let me first talk about the depositions. We're doing them by Zoom. We're doing them by Zoom, GoToMeeting, Skype, and that really hasn't missed a beat. Thankfully, there was one requirement that court reporters had to be in the same room with a witness swearing them in. The governor signed an order, doing away with that. So, and thankfully, so that when the governor did that, we went virtual everywhere. Everybody has been in different locations. The court reporter's in a different location. The witness is in a different location. I'm in my kitchen or somewhere else doing the deposition. So that hasn't stopped. Some hearings now, the courts are starting to embrace the Zoom technology and the Skype. So I think that actual hearings are going to be able to move forward as well. So we're seeing a lot of out of every crisis comes some opportunity, and the opportunity is to embrace technology a little bit more, to utilize it a little bit more effectively.
Yeah, and if you think about it, a lot of the hearings that we have to do, we go across all northeastern Pennsylvania and Philadelphia, and if we could stay in our offices and continue to work and do hearings from our office, which really makes a lot of sense. When it brings less people together, we can do it from the convenience of your office, even for all the people. It may be productive, and believe it or not, it may be cheaper for the public who are paying lawyers to go across the country. So, the courts, they seem very open to it. So hopefully, teaching moment again, we can do it. And thank God we're doing a good job keeping busy. Thank you.
All right, we're all learning during this. Guys, thank you so much for your time and advice today. If you have questions for them, reach out to them, and you can go to pahomepage.com.